So we're going to do a squishy experiment. So let's get started.
So we're going to show you our squishes. So let's go. And BTW, this experiment is putting it in the fridge to see if it gets more squishier. Yeah, go first.
So I have this turtle
That I messed up. And then she has a Rulakuma donut. She couldn't say Rulakuma, so yeah.
So she has
This Kathy Barson biscuit. This milk bottle. And this is super squishy, but I want to see if it gets squishier like the Puny Maru or the eye blooms is so rustic. We're going to be putting this in for 10 minutes. So let's go. Sorry if we keep on saying let's go.
Yeah. So we put it in the fridge already, so we just have to wait for 10 minutes.
Yes, you guys, after 10 minutes. So guys, we're back from the fridge and we got our squishes. So I'm gonna show mine first. Let's go. So we got it back from the fridge and let's show you guys, and I'm gonna go first. Let's go. So I'm gonna show my milk bottle. It did get squishier, like the Puny Maru. Yep, it's super squishy. Now I'm gonna show my Kathy Barson biscuit. It definitely got more squishier. Yep.
So now I'm going to show mine. So I have this turtle.
Did it get squishier?
It got a little bit squishier.
Okay.
Then I have this
Look at my donut.
I know it's a donut, but I don't know how to say it. It did not get
Oh,
squishy.
I ruined my squishy.
So yeah.
Anyways, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys didn't, it's okay. Just subscribe or like this video up, and yeah, we'll see you guys later. Bye.